Okay, so this is, it's kind of bright. I'll turn that, oh, there we go. I'll dim this a bit. That's the duty cycle of the locomotive, which is moving there, and it's moving moderately slow. Anyway, that's a fairly large duty cycle to make that machine move. I didn't think it would be that high. So here it is. We'll slow it down. You can see the duty cycle getting lower, so I'll point. So this is off and that's on. The duty cycle is the ratio of on time to one full period. So on time divided by on time plus off time. So you can see that's about 3/4, so it's about 75% duty cycle. And at that rate, the locomotive is barely moving. Barely moving. You can hear it in the background. And there's full blast. And then you can hear it slow down. Crank it up again. Full. It's coming full. Slow it down. And this is the threshold of motion. And it stopped right there. It stopped. So it stopped. Now, if I increase, it's going to take, oh, that's about right. Okay. Anyway, so roughly 50% duty cycle. Let me line this up. A little over 50% duty cycle is not enough to make that thing move. So now I know. I wasn't sure. Now I know for sure. So that's, well, it's interesting and it's worth knowing. Okay, so we're at the sensor, so that's it. That's it for this video.